I'm Lance, the install guy. You're watching Enhance Your Ride, brought to you by Tough Trucking. Today we're talking about bed covers and how that can better enhance your ride. When it comes to bed covers, there's tons of options. You got fiberglass painted to match, hard covers. You got Undercover Flex, folding covers. You got vinyl soft folding covers, retracts, and I'm probably forgetting a few, but that's a lot to choose from. But the first question you need to ask is what and why you're covering it up. If you're heading out of town for business or vacation and you need a quick, inexpensive cover, a soft folding cover is the way to go. The best part about a folding soft cover, it's easy to put on and it's easy to take off. What that means for you is if you got to run out of town and cover your luggage, boom, it's on. If you got to go to the hardware store, boom, it's off. If you're looking for more security, you might want to think about an upgrade to a hard folding cover. There's a couple options out there, but my personal favorite is the Undercover Flex. We install tons of them and people love them. The three best things about an Undercover Flex: one, the drainage, keeps everything dry. Two, when you close that tailgate, you're not getting in that thing with a crowbar. And three, it folds up out of the way when you need full access to your bed. It's easy to fold up. You just pull the cord and fold it. Once it's folded all the way up, you can either snap it or use the rods to hold it in place. Another high security option out there is retracts, but there's so many to choose from, that's another video for another day. Another hardcover option is Leer. Keeps it dry, painted to match, it's so tough you can dance on it. I mean, you can stand on top of them, they're so strong. Leer covers are so easy to open, you just pop the handle and shock absorbers take it right up, just like a transformer. Most people go with this option so they can match the color of their truck. These bed covers are people who don't use their truck beds to haul a lot, but they want to keep their valuables out of the rain. So if you want to keep your valuables dry, come see me at Tough Trucking. We got you covered.